Hi friends, it's FunToyLand here. I am going to show you how to write the letter G in cursive. Go find yourself a pen. We are going to use a green one today. Let's get started. Welcome to FunToyLand. This is how you write the uppercase G in cursive. Let's write another row of the capital letter G. And that's how you write the uppercase letter G. Let's write the lowercase letter G. Let's write another row of the lowercase letter G. And that's how you write the letter G in cursive. Just keep practicing, it's gonna get easier. The more you practice, the easier it'll get. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye!
Thank you for watching! Did you have fun? Please like and share this video. Go ahead and click the subscribe button so that we can be friends and you can watch more cool videos like the ones you see here. Come visit us often. See you later, friends!